Welcome back to your home garage, and in this video we're going to review why I like the blind spot mirrors and how to attach them. Blind spots refer to those areas of the vehicle that your vision is obstructed. Some of those are caused by the position of your vehicle's pillars or possibly the size or position of your mirrors. And the size and design of your vehicle plays a great part in your visibility. To reduce the potential of blind spots, you could do some of the following. Position your mirrors correctly and purchase a set of these blind spot mirrors. These mirrors give you a wide angle view and easily attach to your existing mirrors. Basically, it provides a fisheye view, which expands your visibility when driving. For installation, they come with an adhesive backing that peels off, which then attaches to your mirror. And as a helpful tip, you can attach a piece of tape to the back and then test the position that best suits you before peeling the backing off. And these mirrors come in many sizes to complement your size of mirror and vehicle. And you want to start by prepping your surface by making sure it's clean or free of any contaminants and dry. And for correct placement, well, that's basically personal preference. But for me, I like the outer part of the mirror rather than the inside position. Also, don't stick it too close to the framework as it could interfere with your mirror adjustment. And look at that field of vision compared to the traditional mirror. This mirror is also adjustable, so you can pivot it to fine-tune your view as you prefer. And once again, just make sure you don't position it too close to that outer frame. It makes it so much easier to see what is approaching and, more importantly, what is directly beside you, which in turn eliminates a great degree of your blind spots. And look how clear the parking lines are below me. This makes backing into spots a breeze. I also place them on the passenger mirror to assist with greater visibility, and I personally have them on all my vehicles and wouldn't leave a lot or dealership without installing them. And there you have it, a blind spot mirror that gives you a better field of view and allows you to see any potential hazard. And make sure you keep this channel going by hitting that like button, sharing this video with a friend, and please comment below as I reply to all. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. And we'll see you next time on your home garage.